So in this video, we are going to learn how to replace the battery out of a tile key finder. So years ago, I had my first tile. It was the original one, and it worked perfect. The problem was once the battery wears out, you had to send it away and pay for a new one, and it was really a pain. So I stopped using it until about a year or so ago when I picked this one up. This is the tile key and wallet finder. I like this one because it was fairly cheap and it was small, and the best part about it is that once the battery runs out, it does have a reusable battery, and that's what we are going to take out today. So to get started, what you want to do is just turn it over, and it's pretty easy. This is how you can replace the battery. Now, in terms of getting the battery, the one that you want is this kind of coin battery. You can see it right here. It is the CR1632. Now, these can be a little tricky to find sometimes. If you go to a store and you go to the battery section, you'll see a lot of these different type of coin batteries, but you want to make sure that you get the one that has those specific numbers, 1632. I know some of these are sometimes interchangeable. This one is specific. There's really no replacement for it. So make sure that you pick this up. So the next step is just to open this up and then to replace our tile. So let's go ahead and open our battery. We are just going to slide this off to pop the tile out. There it goes. So you can see our battery, the size with the plus is up, and you'll just need something kind of small. I'm going to try to use these scissors to pop this out. Okay, and now I'm just going to take my new battery. Oh, looks like I didn't quite get this out. Let me try again. There it is. You can see I'm just going to put the part with the plus facing up. It just pushes back in really easily. This just slides back over. Had it right the first time. I'll try that again. It just doesn't quite feel right. There we go. You may have to do that a few different times. Yeah. So even though I replaced the battery, I'm still getting a warning. So what you'll have to do is just tap on it. Okay, go ahead and tap on where it says, I've replaced this battery. You can tap yes. And there we go. We're all set, and our tile is now ready to be found. I don't have the low battery warning anymore, and I'm good to proceed. So again, this is what I really like about this particular tile, is you can replace that battery and keep your tile on whatever device, whatever tool that you have. I like keeping mine on my keys because I lose them all the time, and it's really easy just to ring them. It will let me know where they are. So hopefully this video was helpful. It's something simple, but if you're not familiar with how to do it, I'm hoping that this gave you a good idea on how to proceed. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer those. So thanks, and have a great day.